Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop. So let's create the design here in it. We will take it and then make further shapes and designs to edit that. Make more designs as well. So let's generate the further one. Then here we have the option to generate the new designs shapes as well. So there we are making the new ones.